I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. I'm going to do something crazy today. I'm nervous, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Oh God. Oh, turn off the lights here. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I said I was gonna do. This craziness. Going out like this in Japan. Oh my God. And then it is windy. Lord, I didn't even walk with an elastic band or anything. It's gonna be fun. I want to see people's reaction. I'm gonna try to capture people's reaction to my big hair don't care. And I'm gonna put my mask on because that will give me a little bit let me feel a little bit imaginary. So okay, and before I go further, I can catch that phone here, put on my mask. Why? I feel like a bit imaginary. Something I feel so bad with the stairs. I did an interview on Sandy Heron's page. If you have not seen that interview as yet, please check it out. It's how I cope in a foreign land, different culture, different language, every single thing. So in that interview, I did say that the stairs are not as bad, but I made a mistake. I need to edit that video because I was driving at that time. I wasn't walking so much. Everywhere I go, I would drive. So, I guess I'm getting all of what was stored up for that 1 year, you know. All the stairs are coming now. Oh my God. All right, so I'm going to the shop to get the material for the Ludo board. So one little girl there, she not see it. And them are gonna carry them guests here. You know these people, their parents don't teach them it's bad manners to stare like that. I'm not teach them enough. Alright. Let's see. I wanna see people's reaction, even in the shop. There are not a lot of persons on the road right now. Thankfully, they're learning to social distance. Because at one point I was wondering, did they get the memo? Okay, so let's go. I'm wondering if I should buy small or big markers. So, seem like people want to come in this aisle, but because they see me, they're not. They change their mind. Let's see if I'm send up another aisle for half an hour if they're not going to stay. Oh, the big marker there. No, I'm going to take the crayon will work. So today I went out like this. What do we not do to me ear? I went out like this, but I didn't get much stares because there's no one on the road really to stare. People in the cars looking like, but as you can see, it's very, very like ghost town. And I guess people are getting used to seeing difference in this, maybe this city. I don't know if it's different in other cities, but they are not They don't look as frightened as I had expected. Yes, so I went out in all my black girl magicness. Oh God. I was a little bit shy to do it because watch man are looking at the car. Yeah man. And go like they don't want to steer out there. Boy, man a crash. I went out like this. Dare not go work like this though. Oh, I have to go work like this. You see me look back. I go work like this. Thinking them I go want to touch up my ear. Okay, this sensei. So good. I mean them put me laugh at me. I couldn't me. They can't laugh. When they're nervous they laugh. When they're afraid they laugh. Ah boy. Yeah. See what I go on there now. See what I go on there. Play scanty. This is how it's supposed to be, man. Gotta stay in. See if things can get better after a while. See Adam's security. I guess Adam's come set up his security sitting there. Okay. Only Jamaicans will get this one. Oh good. Yeah, so I'm back inside. The reactions were not as I thought because, as I said, there are not so many persons on the road, and the few that saw me, they're like, look away, and it would be weird to take my camera out to say, oh, I caught you looking. Well, yeah, I went out like this. Next time I'll try to get a friend or so to record it, and that would be more interesting. So like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. Blessings. Boom bang. I'm out.